Hi, students. So, again, some of you guys are like, what? How am I supposed to download my picture for my citizenship project into my paper? I forgot. Well, here you go. So, sorry you get to watch me tell you how to do it again. All right, so if you email the photo to you, I opened up my school email account. Oh, look, here's an email from myself with my citizenship photo. So I can open that up, and then I'll have your paper is going to be in Canvas that you can type directly into. But for since if I did that, it would mess everything up. So I just opened up it in Google Docs. So here's my spot to put my first photo. So I'm just going to erase this. I got my Google Doc open, ready to go. Then I have my email right here. Oh, look, I can save it to my drive. I can download it onto my computer. I can just click on it and I can click um, download, save to my drive, or print. I'm just going to add it to my drive. Then I'm going to go over here to my citizenship service project, and I'm going to go into insert image, and I can upload from my computer or I can do it from my drive. So I'm going to do it from my drive. Oh, recent. It'll be right there. And then look, here is my picture. So I can just double click on that and I'll put it right there in for me. And then I can go through if I want to crop it, and I don't know, maybe I want to make it look pretty, or do any of the other fancy stuff. You can totally do that. And I can fix it and center it and um, do all of those things. And so now, but I have my photo in my Google Doc. And that's how easy it is to add your photos to your citizenship paper. Super easy. Um, you can also, if you have it downloaded on your computer, you can just upload it in here. Lots and lots of different ways you can do that. But that's how easy it is to insert your picture into your Google paper. Have fun. Good luck and good job at serving people.